is that mimics the real life. What is the best trading strategy in the market, if I may ask?
Risk reward ratio.
Trade. Basically, we are trading VIX 75 right now. Okay, we are trading VIX 75 right now. So you can see how frame. I'll show exactly and wipe this level. This is what we call sweep of liquidity. Okay, so liquidity was raided here, took out a lot of persons that played their stop loss here, and then price started dropping, came down here, broke this low, giving us what we call a break of structure, and then dropped, and then went up again, retested this level, dropped again, went up here. It made double high, and then as soon as I saw this swipe, that was when I entered my trade here. This was a raid of liquidity, so I quickly entered my trade here. I can see how smoothly price dropped, and that's how it dropped up to this level. And I'm going to take my profit at about this point. Okay, I'm going to take out my profits at about this point. This is how you trade with precision. This is very simple. If the reason is that sometimes it might take a lot of time, waiting for all these things to play out, but it is better to wait for it to play out and then make profit than for you to rush into the trade and get, taken out by the market. Okay, so patience is key in the market. Once you have this knowledge, have patience, be disciplined enough to wait for price to do its things. Once price has finished doing its things and then giving you the setup you want, then you can execute your trade. This is just it, guys. So if you got value from this video, please smash the like button and turn the post notification bell, and check the description box. You see a link to my Telegram channel. Click and join my link for more tutorials and for free signals. Also, check this channel and watch more videos like this. Goodbye. So after I hit this unfortunate loss as a result of news events, I decided to go all out and learn how to trade news. Since then, it has been amazing, and my news trading strategy is almost 100% accurate. But because of human errors that can occur, I will say it is 95 to 99% accurate. Because of this scenario where I saw a buy and I mistakenly clicked sell. As soon as I realized it, I had to close that sell in loss and place the buy, which recovered all the losses. So my news trading strategy is 95 to 99% accurate, and this is me trading news live. All I just need to do is to do my fundamental analysis using my Forex Factory or my FX book, and then I'm able to scoop some money from the market. So here I'm going to take a sell, as is seen here. I'm going to take a sell. This is it. So I'm going to take some sells here. My target is to hit $100, like to make $100 profit on this account. So I'm going to take some sell. Already the market has made some move before I entered, but it's still fine. So I'm going to take some sell, and I'm very sure I'm going to win this trade, because over time, from my back testing and my live trades, it has proven to work almost 99% accurate, like almost 100% accurate. So you can see it is already moving in my favor. This is my FX book notifying me. So it is already moving in my favor. Can see that. So this is just how it works. Like very fast, you have made your money and you're out of the market. You don't need to start doing some crazy analysis. You don't even need to do any technical analysis. You just need to know how to do a fundamental analysis. Alright, and this is the best way of trading. You can do your other businesses, your 9-to-5 job, and still do your trading. Just trading news. All I do is I set my alarm 5 minutes to the news time, and then I plan what I want to do, set the loss size I want to use. Once it's time, boom, I hit the buy or sell according to my analysis, and within a short time I close my trade. I'm done for the day. I wait for that news time. That's just what I do, and since then my win rate has been massive. So I'm hosting a 30 days news trading mentorship. So all you need is just 1 week to learn it. Okay, I will teach you guys how to do it live in just 1 week. and then the remaining days we'll be trading it together live. Believe me, before that month, whatever it cost you to join the mentorship, you would have recovered it multiple times. You can start trading news with as little as $5, and you can grow it to $100 or even $500 in just a week. So just message me now to get started with the news trading mentorship. Message me now to get started. You can also join my Telegram community, which is totally free, so you can get more educational materials there and also reach me personally. If you're watching on YouTube, the link is in the description box down below this video, but on TikTok, it is on my bio. Just click the link. Hello guys, look here on your screen and you will see me starting to run a robot on an account of $1,000. Let's see how far we are going to take this account to. Okay, so because I'm starting this account with $1,000 doesn't mean it must be $1,000. You can also run it on the $50 or $100 or $200 account depending on how much you have. Okay, so all you need to do is contact me via my Telegram link, my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box, and also in my Telegram channel you also find my WhatsApp link, okay, where you can also reach me in case you can't message me via Telegram. Just click the Telegram link in the description box, join my Telegram group. You can use my WhatsApp link and message me on WhatsApp or message me via Telegram. Anywhere you'll be able to reach me and I will get this across to you. Okay, so this robot works amazing. It works wonders, and once you install it on your system and attach it to your MT5, you don't need to do anything again. Okay, just make sure it's installed on your PC and attached to your MT5, then attach it to any pair you want it to trade, any instrument you want it to trade. Basically, we are trading VIX 75 right now. Okay, you are trading VIX 75 right now. So you can see how it's moving. The account is up to 4,300 already. So this is to show you that this robot works wonders. It works really well. Okay, now some features you need to know about this robot is that the stop loss, the robot takes trade and sets stop loss automatically, and also sets take profit automatically. And again, once the trade is in your favor and has gone to an extent in your favor, it moves the stop loss to a break-even point to protect your capital, so you don't be in profit for a while and end up losing again. Okay, so that's how amazing this stuff is. Like now it's in profit now. Let's see. Yeah, it has moved the stop loss to break even point. Okay, so if it goes back now, it will just close at break even, but this seems to be going towards take profit. Okay, so let's see how this one goes. It might see the take profit, or if it goes back, it just hit the break even and you will not lose. All right, that's how this works. Okay, so the target here, you can see, is 1:3 risk reward ratio. So this one we actually hit the take profit, and it is 1:3 risk reward ratio, which means if you are risking $100, you are going to be targeting a profit of $300. That's how this robot works, and you can actually adjust your stop loss and take profits. All right, you can adjust them according to what you want. Also, your lot size, you can adjust it according to your account size and according to your risk tolerance. Okay, some people like to risk much, some people like to risk small. So because of that, we have made a provision where you can easily adjust the lot size and tell the robot what to be taken and what to be risking. All right, that's how this works. So you just need to install it and go to sleep. It will be trading for you. It will do the analysis automatically, take trade automatically, and do all the executions automatically. Your own is to just come and withdraw your money. That's how it works. So contact me via Telegram. The link is in the description box. Click the link and be taken automatically to my Telegram channel. You can also see my WhatsApp link there, so you can click it and also message me via WhatsApp in case you want to reach me through that medium. So that's just it. This robot is amazing. You can see we are up to 9,000 already. So that's just it, guys. What is the best trading strategy in the market, if I may ask? Is it ICT? Is it SMC? Is it price action? Is it Wyckoff theory? Is it Quasimodo? Is it break and retest? Is it support and resistance? Is it supply and demand? What exactly is the best trading strategy in the market? Because many people complain of so much chaos in the market. So how do you navigate through the whole chaos in the market without getting your hands burned and without losing your hard-earned money? That is what I want us to discuss today. I have come up with this strategy that you are seeing on your charts to show you the best way of trading the market. This is exactly what I have tested and it has been working. Let's do this together. And I'm going to show you live trades that I've taken with it. I'm going to show you even the running one that you see it and know how this really works. Now, the diagram right before you is a complete illustration of my trading strategy, which I have found to be one of the best trading strategy out there. I'm going to explain it to you in detail before we go to the chart. So starting from the left, the first thing you see is a kind of market structure that I've labeled as A, B, C, and D. So from A, B to D is a complete structural circle. If you know about market structure, but if you don't know about market structure, let me know in the comment section so I'll make a video specifically on market structure, in-depth detail of market structure. I will explain it to your understanding. So this is a complete circle of market structure. One structure has been completed, and from observation, whenever a structure is completed, price tends to pull back to a point of interest known as POI, and that is the point labeled C. And you can see COI there, POI there, which means point of interest. That is the point of interest. Price pulls back to that level and then begins to continue another structure. So point of interest is what you should know. How do you identify a point of interest in the market? If you do not know this, let me know in the comment section. I will also make a video on it. Now, there are several points of interest, several things we use as our point of interest. Number one is the order block. Number two is the breaker block. Number three is the fair value gap. Another one is the rejection block as our point of interest, depending on the nature of the market we are working with. So whenever price gives me this give a certain pattern, probably a double top, a double bottom, head and shoulder, or any pattern at all before it breaks my trend line, as you can see illustrated on this diagram. Someone might be asking, since I've gotten my point of interest, why do I still need the trend line? Now, it might interest you to know that most times when price gets to that your point of interest, wipe liquidity, like it might liquidate that level. It might just be a liquidation point. All right, and sometimes you might even be wrong with that point of interest that you selected. So the thing is that the trend line will help you filter out this noise, because you have to still wait for the trend line to be broken. So the trend line serving as a confirmation for your entry will help you filter out this kind of mistakes of marking your point of interest. It will also help you to filter out inducement. Where price wants to liquidate people, the trend line will help you to filter it out. And also it will help you to filter out smart money traps so you don't fall into it and lose your money. Now, how do I get my entry confirmations? Number one, I want to wait for price to break my trend line. Once it has gotten to my point of interest, I want to wait for it to come back and break my trend line. Secondly, I will scale down to lower time frame, like the 5 minutes or 1 minute time frame. When I get there, I want to now spot out the substructures, lower time frame substructures that it has created after it got to my higher time frame points of interest. Right? Then on that lower time frame, after I've spotted out the structures it's created, then I will mark a lower time frame point of interest, probably an order block within that lower time frame, or a breaker block, or something like that, anywhere where price created support or resistance, as the case may be. Then I will wait for price to pull back into that level Then as soon as price gets back into such level, I will shoot my shots immediately. I will execute my entry. Very simple and straightforward. Now, what about my exit plan? A strategy is not complete if it doesn't show you where to place your stop loss and where to place your take profit. So, with this strategy, what is my exit plan? Now, as you can see up there, I have SL1 and SL2. So, my SL1 is on top of my point of interest, my higher time frame point of interest, which is level C. Now, it depends on the distance between this higher time frame SL and my entry point. If it is too far away, I'm not going to use it. But if it is close, I will use it. When it is too far away, I will now use my lower time frame high. Okay, that structure that was made before I made my entry, that's high. The high of it is where I'll place my SL. That's exactly where I marked my SL2. That's if the first one is too far away. Okay, that is exactly how I make my entry. Now my take profit, as you can see, is at the previous structural low or high. In this case, the previous structural low. That is where my take profit is. And most times it will be more than 1:2. But as a rule for me, it is going to be at least 1:2 risk reward ratio. The TP must be at least 2 times the stop loss. Otherwise, I will not take the trade. That is it. Very simple. As you can see on the screen right now, here is a trade I took using this very strategy that I just explained. And I'm going to show you, we're going to go to my system. Let me show you exactly how I analyzed the chart and how I took this trade. I'm going to show you about 2 examples of how this strategy plays out in real life, so you'll be able to practically utilize this strategy because it is very simple and very profitable. Let's go to the chart. Let me show you exactly what I did to get this result. So we are here on my system, and this is a step index chart, which actually I took the trade as I explained earlier. So here price was trending downwards, and we got a break of structure right here. We got a break of structure, and then this is my point of interest. I use the order block as my point of interest. Okay, so my order block / point of interest. So after marking my higher time frame points of interest, the next thing is to draw my trend line. So this is my first touch on the trend line, and this is the second touch on the trend line, and then this also is the third touch on the trend line. After the third touch, what happened is that price now came and broke the trend line. Then here you can see how price broke the trend line and reversed to my order block. You can see that's where it reversed to my order block. That candle there is my order block where price went and tapped into. Now for an order block to be valid, for a trend line to be valid, you only need 2 touches. Okay, 2 touches, you have drawn your trend line. Just connect the trend line to the two lows or highs, in this case 2 lows, and then extend it. So now we go to our lower time frame. Now let's see what happens after price broke our trend line. Let's see what happens. So I later decided to use the 10 minutes time frame so I can see everything clearly. Now this is me marking my order block. So here you can see I marked that candle, which is my order block, and price went into the order block. Okay, this is my order block, and that was after price broke the trend line, and we have to mark our order block from the lower time frame, 10 minutes time frame at this point. So as soon as price gets to my point of interest like this, I execute my trade, and the next thing is to place my take profit. So this is where I'll place my take profit, as you can see here. So I place my take profit. I also place my SL, as you can see here, my stop loss. Very, very important. Now, just as I illustrated in the diagram previously shown, there are 2 levels where I place my stop loss. Here is the first level, which is the lower time frame high. Now, the second place is the higher time frame high, which is above the higher time frame point of interest. Now this is dependent on the distance between the entry and that proposed SL level. In this case, I used the second SL, which is the lower time frame high, because the other one is too far away. Obviously, this trade hit the take profit, as you can see. But let me show you the second example, which I actually participated in. This second one, I took the trade, and that's the very one I showed you guys earlier in this video. So let's go ahead and see how this played out. So the first thing is to mark my structure, right? I just mark the break of structure here. So here is the break of structure. Remember the ABC strategy pattern. So this is the break of structure right here, and then this is my area of interest here. This is my point of interest. You can see that my other block, which is my point of interest, the other block is right there above. That's my point of interest. So I place my trend line instantly. Now sometimes it could be very tricky, so you can see how this one went. The trend line was somehow straight. So this is my trend line. The move was very aggressive, so the trend line is almost straight. So this is it. I place my trend line, and I might decide to place another trend line when I get lower. Just watch and see how I did this, because most times it is very tricky. So you have to always adjust to the you are in. Okay, the market is very chaotic. So this is the second place where you could place your trend line for it to be, more what do you call it, for it to be more applicable to the nature of this particular market, and for it to give you what you really need. Okay, so now we go down to lower time frame, which is 5 minutes in this case, and you can see how price came and touched our point of interest. So price starts our point of interest before breaking the trend line. So price broke the trend line here and also broke this low, which is a change of character. Okay, so it gave us a choke. After a change of character, price pulled back to another block, which is our lower time frame point of interest, and that is our entry point. Whenever this happens, we have our entry confirmation. So that's our entry point, and that is exactly how I took this trade. And now look at exactly where the TP is. This is the proposed TP level. This is where it should be. Yeah, as you can see, very straightforward. This is very straightforward. Even the dumbest person can understand this one. So don't forget to place your stop loss, very important, above the high of your lower time frame. Now you can see this is the trade I took with it. I took this very trade with it. You can see, look at it. So amazing, and see, very close to my take profit. I actually took this one below the take profit level because I knew that it was going to go down lower. But while I did that, I was also protecting my I was trailing the stop, because anything can happen. So I was trailing the stop. I was following it carefully with my stop loss, and you can see it went to my take profit, giving me more profit. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any confusion, maybe there's any term I mentioned you don't understand, let me know in the comment section, and I'll make a video specifically on that concept so you can learn and grow in this game. Thank you guys for watching. This is the Alpha Trade, and remember, it can only get better. Goodbye.
In this video, I took a $30 account to over $500 in just 6 days, in less than 6 days. So guys, I did that using the Royal FX trading robot, and let me show you exactly how it went on. Now you can see I've taken the first trade, and let's see how it goes. Okay, this one hit break even, and we've taken the second one also, and you can see the stop loss over there. And this is the entry. So the stop loss has been moved to break even and TP hit. That is how this robot works. We have it has a trailing stop actually. Okay, it has a break even system, not trailing stop. So when the trade goes in your direction to an extent, it will move the stop loss to your break even so that the trade doesn't reverse against you and you lose something that was in profit already. So it is better it ends as a break even than for you to lose. That's how this robot works. The risk management is top notch. Okay, the risk reward ratio is 1:3. That's if you are risking $100, we are making 300. If you are risking $10, we are making $30, just like that. 1:3 risk reward ratio, which is also adjustable according to your choice. You can decide to reduce it to 1:2 or increase it to 1:5. It's all up to you, but the default is 1:3. And then you can see the lot size is good and also adjustable. So everything about this, when you get this robot, you just use it this way I've set it, or you can decide to make few adjustments like the lot size. If your account is small, you have to reduce the lot size. Okay, and depending on the pair you are trading, you have to reduce the lot size or adjust it accordingly. Okay, so let's see this trade. Let's see how it goes. It's already at break even. It has moved the stop loss to break even. So at this point, we are not running any risk of losing anything again, and it's in our favor. And good, we hit the take profit, and our account is up to $257, as you can see. So we are in the right direction. Okay, so this one hits stop loss, and this one is also going in our way already. So let's see it's retracing now. Okay, once it goes in our direction to an extent, the stop loss will move. Okay, the stop loss has moved to break even, so we are risk free now, and we hit take profits. That's how it works, guys. That's how it works. You really need to get this. The Telegram link is in the description box. Click the Telegram link and reach me directly and request for this EA. Okay, if you're watching on TikTok, my Telegram link is on my bio. If you're watching on YouTube, my Telegram link is in the description box down below this video. So let's see how it goes. Our target is 500. That's our target. So let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. It's running. Okay, this one hit stop loss and we lost something. Okay, so we are up to 324 actually, and let's see how this one goes. Okay, we are down to 302. Remember, we started with 30. So we are doing well actually. We started with 30 and we're up to 302. Now this one has gone to break even. Okay, it hit our TP, so we're up to 358. Let's see how it goes. So guys, this is to show you how good the system is. This is to show you how well it works. We took our time to build this and give it proper risk management. Okay, so everything here is also adjustable according to your preference and according to your choice and according to your account size. Okay, so this one is at break even, and it's going our way. Might it take profit? I don't know, but let's just see. Is it tracing against us? But we are risk free nevertheless. We are risk free already. So let's see how it goes. Okay, yeah, it hits TP and we are up to 423. This is massive. Now this one hits break even. This one hit SL. Okay, we another one break even point reached and TP hit. So we're up to 429. So this one now, let's see how it goes. If it's okay, break even. Okay, so we are still at 429. You see, because it was a break even. Okay, let's see how this one goes. It's still against. Okay, okay, let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see. So this is exactly how this it works. Royal FX robots. We are at break even right now, and TP hits. So 489. That's where we are right now. Let's see. Okay, this one hit break even, and then we are in another one right now. Stop loss hit on this one, so we are down to 446. Okay, let's see how it goes, guys. You can contact me via Telegram. The link is in the description box if you're watching on YouTube, and on my bio if you're watching on TikTok. All right, so get me via Telegram, and request for it and I'll give it to you at a discounted rate. So this one hit TP and we're up to $500. Congratulations to us. Get this robot now at a discounted rate and enjoy. And remember that it can only get better. Goodbye.